Welcome back to another how-to coding video. Today we will be coding the Metric Caprice. So, first things first, you're going to open up paint.net. It's completely free if you don't have it. So we'll open up the template. You can get these templates in the RDP Discord. You will have to link your Patreon to the Discord to have access to them though. So once you do have access, go to Metric and then click on the 83 Caprice. And I'll link both of those, both the Discord and Patreon, into the description. So, not going to spend too much time on this. There are other videos out there that show how to use paint.net and how to create paints and stuff. So, I am just going to focus on the coding aspect of it. So, just going to create a quick paint here and 77, just create something quick here. So once you are done with your paint, you want to turn this background image off, or the background off. If you do keep this on, it will show up on your paint once you get it in game. So you always want to turn background off so you don't have those lines and everything that show. So done with the paint. From there, we open BeamNG, go to repository, main menu, repository, mods manager, and open your mod folder. From there, if you haven't already, create an unpack folder. Just need to create a new folder, then name it unpacked. And then from there, in the unpacked folder, new folder, and we are going to do Caprice metric test. So this is just the name of your mod / skin, so it can be anything you want. Then from there, new folder, vehicles, new folder. Then we're going to do metric, new folder, and then this can be anything you want it to be. Metric test 2025. So after that, we will open up the template folder, skin templates, go into metric, and we will copy and paste both the JBeam and the JSON file into your folder. So then we'll go back and do your paint file, save as. I usually like to save it as DDS, but you can save it as PNG if you want as well. I'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. For now, we're just going to save it as a DDS. So we'll do Caprice test. So you'll want to save it. Make sure you're saving it into the correct folder, which we have as the last folder right there after metric. So, and then hit save. Gonna want to choose a BC7, this setting right here. There's a bunch of settings, so make sure you choose the right one. Then medium, hit OK, and then flatten. So then that's gonna send it to your folder right here. And then, so we'll go in the metric skins JBeam file first. So this right here, what I have highlighted, that needs to be exactly what you have right here, and the same right here. This whole thing that I have highlighted right here needs to be what you named your file. So we named it Caprice test. So then copy and paste that down to here. Needs to be exact same or else it won't show up. Don't have to change the slot type for the Caprice. And then the name here, that's what shows up in game in the menu. So we will do test Caprice. So once we got all that done, we hit save. So before we do anything with the JSON file, we need to rename it. So it says metric skins right here. We need to rename it to skin.materials. And then from there, we open it. And then this 73 or the skin underscore 83 Caprice name, what I have highlighted right here. Those need to be exactly what you put right here for the file name. So we'll do Caprice test. Same here, right here, Caprice test, and same right here. Make sure you do not get rid of the slot type right here, just whatever was right on the other side of the last period right there. So once you got that done, we will go into the base color map line down here. So this line needs to be exactly what you have named all your folders and the folder order. So we have vehicles metric, then our folder we have metric test 2025. So we need to get rid, we do not have a metric parts folder in our skin. So get rid of that folder, and see this has custom folder now. Now we replace that with metric test 2025. And then we do not have a textures folder up here either, so we will get rid of that folder as well. So the skin 83 Caprice underscore name needs to be exactly what we have up here, Caprice test, and that's exactly what we have it named. So we replace that, and we aren't naming it as a PNG right now, so we change that to a DDS since we are saving it as a DDS image. And I'll show you what to do, what to change for saving it as a color or as a PNG later in the video. So after that, we hit save and then open BeamNG. Hit update all mods. Go into your mods and then update all mods. If you're changing or adding a new mod or changing any of the folders, you'll have to update all mods for it to show up. See how it shows up now. So hit, and then we'll go choose vehicles. And then metric GM, and we will choose the Caprice. So once we got the Caprice chosen, body, paint design, and we will scroll down. Let's see, named it as Test Caprice. Choose that one. And there you go, it shows up in game. So that's how you code the Caprice. Once you get done with the mod, once you get completely done, it shows up in game. Go back to Mods Manager, hit the file, hit your mod right there, and hit pack. So that basically zips it up and puts it into your mods folder from your unpacked folder. So it's no longer in your unpacked folder. So once, and then now I'll show you what to do if you are saving it as a PNG file. So unpack, open. We'll get rid of the Caprice test, get rid of the DDS image, and pretend we're saving it for the first time. We'll want to save it as a PNG, and you'll want to add .color.png to the name, and you want to make sure you are saving it into the folder, that last folder right there. So, and then hit save. From there, see how it shows up now, .color, and it should say PNG right here. From there, you do not need to add a .color to any of these, and the JBeam file, and then the skin .materials. The only place you need to add, you don't need to add a .color up here. Only place you need to add is this base color map line. So .color.png, and then hit save. So then close out. Gonna go in game. We're gonna hit Control R, refresh the vehicle, and there it shows up. So that is how you code the Caprice metric. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and hope you enjoy the video.